In a cozy little place called Clover Town, three best friends lived on a small farm.
Good morning, friend.
Nene loved to explore, and Oink Oink always brought joy.
Let's go see something new today. I'll bring snacks.
Every morning, the three friends met by the old fence to start their day. Ready for fun?
I'm ready.
Me too.
They helped the farmer, chased butterflies, and shared apples.
I'll make everyone laugh.
One afternoon, a little rain surprised them.
It's okay. We're together.
That makes it better.
And so, in Clover Town, three little friends learned that friendship makes any place feel like home.